Hey guys, Chris Lorenzo here, back in our video. So in this video, we're gonna make a drop like artists as Holy Goof, Chris Lorenzo and Notion. So we'll be going over the typical lead sound of them, that's typical UK style drums, and the bass line. So let's get started. So first, let's set the BPM to 127. We're gonna start off with this kick from the new bass house pack. Just make a little kick pad with a small variation. Now let's add a clap. Sounding like this. Now let's add the open hat. Sounding like this. Now we're gonna add a closed hat for more groove. We'll be using this one. Place it right before the open hat. So the last element we'll be adding is the snare drum. All together sounding like this. So now let's mix it some more. By the way, all the drums and presets we'll be using in this video are coming from the new pack Bass House Volume 5. The pack contains all you need to make bass house and UK house. It includes 70 presets, drums and drum loops. So it's linked down below. So let's start with this preset from the pack. So now let's make a melody with it. We're working in A minor. Those fast notes are typical in this genre. Altogether, the melody sounds like this. So now let's mix it some more. So now let's layer it with a bass sound to thicken it up some more. Copy over the melody, sounding like this. Now let's shape the stereo image some more. Make the sub mono. And narrow down the other frequencies. And let's add a little bit of distortion. Besides, I've added these bass shots for the pack to fill it up some more. For the air candy, we use these sounds. Mastering wise, we only added this Maximus and limiter, and that's it. Altogether, the final result will sound like this.